Hello everyone, welcome to Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Today we can discuss Modulo programming, how to implement Modulo programming in servlets and JSP. First you can create the project, dynamic web project. Here Modulo servlet, click next. Again, click next. I'm selecting web.xml. No need select web.xml, but if you need means you can select. No need means no need. I'm selecting. I need. That's why I'm selecting. Here, Modulo program is that means the application is created. First, I will open web.xml file. I will close the remaining everything. I will close all. Web.xml file. This is a web.xml file. I am removing except one welcome node, one welcome file. Remaining I will remove. Now here I will write Modulo. I will write Modulo. I will create one JSP Modulo JSP file. Right click JSP file. Web app. Click next. Finish. Now is created. We'll use I will write header of the title. I will write Modulo program. Body first I will write header h1 align center. I will align center. Will put align center Modulo program. Next I will write form action. Will write form action. Here I will write table format. Table. Let's see an align. Align center. Align center. Here I will write here table row. Here I will write TD table column. Here I will enter the first value. Enter the first value. Alignment purpose I am writing this one. Otherwise you need this one. Now again I will write another TD. Here I will write input type equal to text, name equal to first value. This one I will copy paste this one. Copy paste. I use to will change this one. Second here also I will change second. Here I will remove this one. Here I will write column span 3. Here I will write align center. I'll write align center. Here type is equal to submit. Type equal to submit. Here value equal to Modulo. This is the now we can start the server. We can check this one. This is displaying or not. We can check this one. Right click off this one. Run on server. Select server. Click next. Click finish. Restart the server. Server is starting. Yeah, server is started. See here modulo program. Here modulo program. Enter the first value, second value, modulo. This is coming. Okay, see this is division. This is modulo. Now you can write the servlet program, servlet class. Right click here. Go to others. Select servlet. Click next. Here you need to write package jmd.jst. Here you need to write modulo servlet. Modulo servlet. Click next. Click next. I need only do post no need. Click finish. I will remove this one. I will remove these things. Commented. I will every commented. I will need. I will remove this two also. No need this two. Now I will write string. First value is equal to request dot get param. What need to do here? You can go JSP page. You can copy this one. First value you can copy. You can paste here. This is first value. Similarly, you can write second value string. Second value is equal to request dot get param. Request dot get param. You can go here. You can paste here. You can paste here. Now int first value is equal to integer. Need to convert to the integer format. The dot parse int first value. Similarly, second value is equal to integer dot parse int is equal to second value. I converted string to result. Now we will write int result res is equal to first value modulo of second value. First value modulo of second value. Now I will write request request dot set attribute. Set attribute. Here we need to write result result. This is a key. Value means you can write the response value. That is the integer. That's why I need to convert into string value. Res result. I converted into string value. That means set attribute accept only string variables. That's why I am returning converting string value. Now I will write request dot get request dispatcher. Dispatcher. Here you need to write result page. Resu and the result dot JSP. Result page. Then we will write forward. Request. Now code is completed. Now we'll need to write the response page. Go here. Need to create one JSP page. This is response.jsp. The same thing I will copy paste here. I will copy paste here. I will remove these things. I don't need this one. I will write center. I will write center. Here I will writing modulo of two variables. Variables is, and I will write equal to request dot get attribute. Here what need to do? You can go servlet class. You can copy this one, this result. You can paste here. In this way I can paste here. Now this is done. Now use space next. Need to display a central element. Need to return back to home page. That's why I'm returning. Here also I will copy this submit button. I will copy this submit button. Paste here. Here I will write h reference. H reference is modulo.jsp. JSP style sty style. Text declaration none. Acceleration. Now here this will remove to put back. This is the program. I will run this one. What happened? What happened? You can see. Select this one. Click next. Click finish. Restart the server. Server restarting. Yeah, server is restarted. Here I will give 10. I will give 10. Sorry. I will give 25. Click module. Why this is not displaying? I will tell you. What need to done mistake? Here go here. Here you need to write name. Name equal to modulo. Same we can copy here. URL pattern. URL pattern, double quotations. Let me do this one. Need to copy this one. We can go to model.jsp. Here we need to give this. Now we can restart the server again. Click next, finish. Restart the server. Now you can check now. Now you can check 10. Sorry, 25. 5. And check this one. Not again. So this is coming 0. I will leave it 26. 5. 1. Modulo of two variable is 1. Now this way we are implementing the modulo program. This is the way we need to implement modulo programming using Servlets and JSP. This way. If you need more information about Java, PHP, Python, or any application, development application, that means Android, or Python application, PHP application, Java applications, could you please comment it below commented box? I will help you for that. Thank you for watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. I am requesting, could you please subscribe and support me? We will meet next video.